How's the door coming along?
I had it all together and had to take it all back apart.
You had to take it all back apart.
After I put all the rivets in and everything, because the window arm has to go on the inside of this latch and not on the outside, and it was bounding it up where you couldn't open the door.
And you had to take it all apart again.
Yep.
That's the life of an owner-operator, isn't it?
Life of an owner-operator.
I'm sorry to hear that, Stephen. So what was the propane man talking to you about where to pull in?
Well, I didn't know, he didn't know if you were one of them.
Oh, okay. All right. It's always fun. Got a new subscriber out of him. He's gonna look up our channel and find his video. Isn't that nice?
Wow, that's pretty doggone nice.
It is. And last week I had put $200 down last week, and the bill came to $232. He let me film him do everything, Stephen. He let me film him do the truck and everything. Isn't that nice? I'm sorry you're having the frustration about the door.
Freightliner really builds some crappy doors, I can tell you that. Crappy doors.
Yeah, you've spent hours on this today.
Yeah. And I've spent hours on it before. Just crappy doors.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I love you.
Yeah, well, love you too.
I know that's kind of corny, but see you all in the next one.
Rick is giving me the finger again.
I am. Don't y'all just love the way Steven says that? It makes me feel like I'm giving him the birdie or something. I'm not giving him a finger.
Have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun. And later.